Nick, I fucking snap. Like, I'm not gonna hold y'all.
I'm a fucking sex symbol. She wants to lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some hundreds on me, I got a blue cheek. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep. I want your body, give me some up on the front seat.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. I know you guys can tell by the thumbnail exactly what video we're going to be getting into. I decided to recreate Cardi B's look from WAP. This is the look that she wore when she was in the hallway in that pretty pink gown. She had her nice 90s updo, so I tried my best to recreate it. This is an old wig, so I will not be turning to the left or the right because it will tell the truth. But if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, let's go ahead and hop into the next scene.
Off with that Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to take this pink shadow from the third row in the third column, and I'm just going to buff that into my transition color. The best way to get color payoff, especially when you're working with like bold colors, you want to make sure that you're patting the color wherever you're wanting to place it, and then blend so that way you don't lose as much color. So yeah, that color is serving as a transition shade. And then moving over to my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, I'm using the shade Lolli Mama, and this shade is so bold, so beautiful, so vibrant. If you haven't seen any of my Jaclyn Hill palette reviews, I'll make sure I link them up in the cards above. But yes, Lolli Mama, just look at how bold that is. The next shade that I'm going to be taking is actually called Next, and I just use that to deepen up the outer thirds of the eye. Because Cardi was sporting a cut crease, I definitely wanted to make sure that I intensify Lolli Mama. So when I cut the crease, it has, you know, some type of backdrop that really helps what I placed down beforehand stand out. Now, using my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 410, I am cutting my crease. Normally, I don't really do that. Depending on which palette I'm using, most times some of the eyeshadows, well, at least with Morphe, most of their eyeshadows are super pigmented to the point where I don't have to use concealer. I can literally just place the shadow on top. But yeah, I decided to go ahead and cut the crease. And before I filled in my lid space, I did go back into Next and help deepen up that outer corner. And now I am going to be going back to that Morphe 35B palette after I'm done with this eye, and it's going to be that light pink shade. And I'm placing that all over the mobile lid and basically blending it into Next so that way it gives a nice faded gradient effect. So yeah, this shade doesn't have a name, so I mean, I guess that's why it's really not much to talk about with this, but just getting it really precise, making sure that I stay clean, because when I look at the way that Erica did Cardi's makeup was extremely just clean and super neat. So I wanted to make sure that I kept that cut crease super clean and super neat as well. Now, using my BH Cosmetics eyeliner, I am gonna place like a wing. I will let y'all know wings are not my specialties. I hate when I get clients and they ask for a wing. It's just hit or miss with me, especially on myself, because for whatever reason, one wing is always higher than the other. So I usually try to steer away from them. But of course, we know Cardi B loves her winged liner. So there was no way that I was going to get around not being able to do a wing for a Cardi B look. And it's okay. I think I actually did pretty good. So after I go ahead and do the wing liner, I'm then going in with my eyeliner. Oh no, sorry, I'm actually putting more of the Lolli Mama on the lower lash line, and then I'm going in with my eyeliner from e.l.f. Cosmetics in the shade Black, obviously, and going in and tight lining my waterline, and then I go right back over it with Lolli Mama to help blend it out. These lashes are lashes that I received from the hair store, well, that I bought, not received, from the hair store. And as always, you guys know the drill. My Lancome Monsieur Big mascara is my favorite mascara. I prefer the travel size over the deluxe size. I think that the smaller mascaras really get the lashes a lot better. So I pulled out an oldie but goodie, and this is my Desert Rose blush from NYX. I don't think that NYX still makes these particular blushes, but I'm sure if you go into like Ulta or if you go on their website, you can find something very similar. As always, I'm using my Nika K lip liner. It is in the shade Cocoa, and then I am going to go on top of that with my NYX soft matte cream lip, or soft matte lip cream in the shade London. And once I blend that out, I'm going to go on top of that with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. And that will finish off the lip. And yeah. Oh, wait. I'm saying oh yeah, and I still have to put on highlight because low-key I almost forgot. So the highlight that I'm going to be using today is actually another oldie but goodie from Lorac, and it is a Lorac Baked Bronzer in the shade Tantalize Me. I absolutely have to mist my face before I put any type of bronzer on.
And this is it for the video, y'all. Like, when I tell y'all, I am shook. Like, really, the hair. And I mean, honestly, this wig is so embarrassing. There was no way in hell that I was gonna show y'all me putting this wig on, but you know, it worked. These pin curls could have been a lot better, but y'all, like, I just can't believe, like, I got this look so good. I'm so fucking excited to post this video tomorrow. Like, y'all, okay, calm down. This just looks so good. And like, Cardi's team, like, I'm always bragging on how well her glam team is, and they always kill every single look. And I just can't believe that, like, I legit just, I fucking snapped. Like, I'm not gonna hold y'all. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.